In this video, I will show you how to make money online with the Fiverr affiliate program. We will concentrate on the gig ads widget for Fiverr affiliates. What's up friends, Amar here, and before we go to the setup process, let's take a quick look at the compensation plan offered by the Fiverr affiliate program. So you can make money online promoting the Fiverr services in two different ways. The first one is the Fiverr CPA, where you earn one-time commission between $15 and $150 depending on the category of the gig or the service your first-time buyer purchases. The second way is the Fiverr Hybrid, where you make a $10 CPA commission for the first purchase of your first-time buyer, and then you will make 10% rev share for all the purchases that he will make, that same buyer makes for the next 12 months. And here are some examples and some details about the CPA commissions that you can earn depending on the category that your first-time buyer makes the purchase. So the Fiverr Pro, for example, you earn $150. Industrial and product design, you make $50. If you go to website builders and CMS, it's $40, etc. And now I'm going to show you how to display the gig ads widget on your websites, on your landing pages, on your thank you pages. I will show you exactly what are the best places to display these ads for a better conversion. So let's say that you just created an account on Fiverr Affiliates, and this is the main dashboard when you log in to your account. So you want to go to marketing tools here, and then you choose the gig ads widget, and on this left hand sidebar you can configure how this widget will appear on your website or on your pages. So the first thing to do is to select the category, put the price range if you want to do that, and then change the title on top here and the button at the bottom here. And after that you can click on this button here to get the HTML code and take it, paste it on your website or on your pages. Now before I prepare the widget to paste on my pages, let me tell you that one of the best places to display these ads are the thank you pages. Thank you pages like this one, for example, where the user is already in action mode and can take action on one of these gigs. He will purchase a service and we will make a commission. So I make these pages here, landing pages, thank you pages, on a software called system.io, which is free to use. I mean, if you don't have an account already, you can just go ahead at the bottom under this video and you will find my affiliate link. You can use it to create a free account. After that, you will go to your dashboard, click on funnels, and with a free account you can create up to 3 funnels. In each funnel you can create a number of pages. So like for example, this funnel here is called Hire Me, which is exactly this page here where I offer my services. So it's very easy to use actually. You give a name to the funnel, you give a URL and a custom link to your page, and then you click here edit to change or add things to your pages. As you can see, I am already on the editor. I can delete and I can add things to my page. So as you can see, I have already 3 Fiverr widgets already done, and I want to add one more. So I want to go to the left hand side, go all the way down, find the raw HTML object, take it, drag it and drop it under the previous one. So now I have a new one and I need to grab the HTML code from Fiverr Affiliates and bring it and paste it here. Where to paste it? I have to click on the gear and then here edit code, and I have to paste the code here. So let's go to Fiverr Affiliate and create a widget. So let's go here. First of all, we want to select the category, and remember, you need to go to marketing tools and then gig ads widget. Let's take digital marketing for this case, and then let's take social media marketing as an example. I don't want to limit the prices, and I want to click apply. So it will be applied on the gig here. If you don't like the title, you can go advanced settings here and then change the title right here. Let's say, for example, best social media gigs on Fiverr. So this will be the title of my widget. I want now to click on embed code. I'm sorry, I didn't click on apply. I need to click apply and then click embed code. This is the HTML code. Copy. Now it's copied. Let's go back to the editor on system IO, select everything and paste the code and save. As soon as I save, as you can see, best social media gigs on Fiverr, I have it here. You can make changes on your page, save the changes, and then I want to refresh my page that is here to see the fourth widget. So if anyone makes a purchase while surfing on this page, if anyone likes the prices, likes the services here and makes a purchase, I will make a commission. And as you can see, some services are like expensive and the commission will be interesting. Another place where you can display the Fiverr ads is at the bottom of your blog post. So let's take an example, how to write and optimize a blog post for SEO ranking. So this blog post is talking about SEO services and how to write a good blog post. I'm going to insert at the bottom of this blog post a widget that has something to do with SEO. So let's go to the editor of this blog post, click edit post here at the top. This is, by the way, a WordPress website, and inside you will see the content of your blog post. So what I want to do is go at the very bottom here and then create space, and then I will put the widget right here. So let me go back to the Fiverr affiliate program. And what I want to do is actually create a brand new widget. So let me go at the top, choose another category, like here I will choose digital marketing, but I will see search engine optimization here, SEO. So just to make the ads correspond to the content of the blog post. And now I'm going to do apply. I will of course see all these widgets and services about SEO. Look at this one, $750. Imagine the commission that you'll be making if someone purchased from this seller here. Now I want to change the title. I want to go here and put best SEO. So instead of social media, I'll put SEO, search engine optimization. Now I'm going to click on embed code and then copy the code. Let me go back to the editor, and then I want to insert actually since this is an HTML code, I want to balance to the code, to the source code, and then I want to put it at the very bottom. So click Ctrl V to paste and then click OK. Now I'm going to check, and here is the widget. You see it right now vertical like this, but in the front end you will see it horizontal. So click update, and then I will display the blog post once it's updated, and we will check the bottom of that same blog post. I'm going to click on view post here and then go all the way down to see if my widget is there. So let me go all the way down, and here is the widget, best SEO gigs on Fiverr. So people, when they read the article, they can see these ads and they might purchase from a seller, and we will make a commission. Let me show you a third place where you can display the ads. So the third place I like to use to display Fiverr ads is the sidebar. As you can see here at the right hand side, there is a sidebar where you can put ads, and I want to display one widget here at the very top of the sidebar. So let me go to the dashboard of my WordPress website, and I want to go to appearance and then widgets like this, and you will see all the widgets that are already on the website, I mean on the sidebar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a widget from here, text widget, and I want to put it at the very top here. And then I want to grab the code from Fiverr affiliates and paste it here. I need to switch to text first and then put the code here. Let's go back to Fiverr affiliates and let's keep the same widget actually about SEO. So I copy the code, go back here and paste it on this widget here, and then click save. Now I'm going to go to the front end of the website and I want to refresh the page to see my widget, and as you can see, here is the Fiverr widget. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 services. If anyone makes a purchase from here, I will make a commission. So I hope this was easy to do for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.